So I'm here with my coffee and my dog, and we are looking at the next near-Earth asteroids that are going to pass within Earth's close to Earth in the next couple months. And we're doing that by following this link right here. This one takes us to the Near-Earth Approaches database that NASA has. Click on that. I just want to show you how to navigate along in here. This column has the name of the object. This column has when it will get closest to Earth. And these times are not Kansas City times. I think those are Greenwich Mean Times. This column here is how close it will get at its closest. So these numbers on the right side are in astronomical units. LD, don't concern yourself with those. Astronomical units, anything that passes within 0.05 astronomical units, or about 4.6 million miles, is considered on a near-Earth orbit. The next thing you should know where to find is the velocity, and this is how fast this thing is going to be moving relative to Earth at when it gets closest to us. So some of them are really cooking. This one, every second, is moving 18.11 kilometers per second. So that thing is moving. And the last column you should be aware of where to find is this one here. This is the estimated diameter. So this one that's moving honking fast is also crazy big. It's 150 to 340 meters in size. So we're not really super clear on how precisely big that is, but it's crazy big. Now, if we click on the name of the object, you can open up this database that shows you many things about the object. It will show you, if you open on close approach data, it will show you a ridiculously long list, sometimes it's very brief, of how many times or when it passes closest to different planets, anytime between 1900 and 2200, the years 1900 and 2200. And you can see that this one comes close to Earth a lot, comes close to Mercury some, also comes close to Venus. So this one has a very irregular orbit. So I'm going back, and I want to also show orbit diagram. There's the orbit diagram, and this is a little model that's interactive. You can use two fingers, and you can zoom out and look at the whole solar system. You can zoom in and see the area that you're specifically interested in. You can also use one finger on your device and change the scale. So you can look at it from straight up above, or you can look at it kind of on an oblique angle, and you can see, oh, this object rises well above the orbital path of Earth and then dips down below it. You can also change the date and time of when the model will start running. So here's the first day of school. This is what things looked like on the first day of school. You can change how quickly the model moves, and you can press play. And so this would let you, you could kind of zoom around, zoom in. Whoops, I zoomed in way too far. There's only the sun, and that's no help. There it is. And so you can see the Earth and this asteroid coming on its collision course, a potential collision course, and you can play that out. Here's a picture of my dog. He's getting quite old, can hardly read a thing now without his glasses, so that's him. He's helping me with this project. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have questions, let me know.